Can your savings account actually be working harder for you? For years, many of us have settled for the traditional brick-and-mortar bank savings account, earning a measly fraction of a percent. But in today's digital age, that's like leaving money on the table. The landscape of savings has changed, and banks like EverBank are leading the charge with highly competitive interest rates. So, how does EverBank stack up when you compare its rates to those of the competition? Let's dive into the numbers, focusing on their most popular product, the EverBank Performance Savings Account. EverBank's Edge, the Performance Savings Account. EverBank's standout feature is the annual percentage yield, or APY, they offer on their savings. For new accounts, the Performance Savings product offers an APY that currently sits around 4.05% or more at the time of this script's creation. This is a high-yield savings account rate. To give you some perspective, let's look at the average. Traditional national banks, think the big-name players, often have savings rates hovering around the national average, which is typically less than 1% APY, often much less, sometimes as low as $0.01 or $0.02%. That's a huge difference. EverBank's rate is multiple times higher than what you'd get from many traditional banks. Comparing EverBank to high-yield competitors. Now, the real comparison is against other online-only high-yield savings accounts, HYSAs, as these are generally where you find the best rates. EverBank consistently positions itself near the top tier of the HYSA market. For example, some of its closest online competitors, like Ally Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs, may offer rates in the range of 3.65% to 4.25% APY. EverBank's 4.05% places it right in that competitive sweet spot. However, a few key differentiators emerge. No minimums. EverBank's performance savings typically has no minimum balance to open and no minimum to earn the advertised APY. This is a massive plus for new savers. Fees. Like many online competitors, they boast no monthly maintenance fees, ensuring the interest you earn stays in your pocket. Access. While primarily an online bank, EverBank does maintain some physical branches in select states, offering a hybrid approach that some pure online banks can't match. The verdict, is EverBank right for you? EverBank's interest rates on the performance savings account are highly competitive, significantly outperforming the national average and holding their own against other top-tier online HYSAs. If you're looking to maximize the returns on your liquid savings, moving your money from a low-rate traditional bank to EverBank or a similar high-yield option is a smart financial move. Just remember that high-yield savings rates are variable, they change with the economy, so the exact number will fluctuate. It's always best to check their website for the very latest APY. Do your own research, but EverBank is definitely a major contender you should be considering if your goal is to make your cash work harder. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.